Before you buy a mini table saw, there's one thing no product page tells you: most of them look the same. But the real difference is in how they handle dust, vibration, and safety during actual use. I found out the hard way, and today I'm sharing the 5 that actually stand out. Product number 1, Zerikuff Dual Motor Craft Saw. The Zerikuff Mini Table Saw immediately stands out with its dual 795 motors and dual switch safety system, something you won't find on most mini saws. Priced at $166.86, it's on the higher end. But if you want serious power and safety for detailed crafting, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The independent switches prevent accidental activation of both cutting and sanding functions at once, which is a huge safety win. Plus, the 7-level power adjustment lets you dial in just the right speed for delicate materials like balsa wood or thin acrylic. The adjustable height goes up to 26 mm deeper than most competitors, and the widened 12 cm worktable gives you more room for precision cuts. It even includes a dust extraction tube and a smart internal blade compartment that reduces motor dust exposure by 80%. Now, some people complained about the manual being overwhelming at first. Here's the thing though, it's actually helpful once you get past the setup, especially with tips from over 1,000 users included. This is perfect for you if you're serious about model making, electronics projects, or handmade gifts and want a tool that lasts. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only need occasional light cutting. At this price, it's a solid investment for hobbyists who value safety and longevity. Product number 2, MIMYTH All-in-One Craft Saw. Now, if the Zerikuff's price felt steep, the MIMYTH Mini Table Saw at $134.13 offers a similar dual motor setup but with even more accessories. What caught my eye was the inclusion of over 100 rotary tool parts, sanding wheels, drill chucks, buffing pads, all packed into one kit. If you want an all-in-one workshop in a tiny footprint, this is worth a serious look. The dual 795 motors deliver strong, independent power for cutting and grinding, and the laser etch scale ensures accurate angle cuts from 0 degrees to 90 degrees. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 4 specialized blades cover everything from PCB boards to copper pipes, so you're not stuck buying extras. The transparent guard keeps debris out of your face, and the shock-absorbing feet keep it steady on your desk. Now, some people complained about the soft shaft feeling flimsy during heavy engraving. Here's the thing though, it's meant for light detailing, not industrial drilling, so as long as you're doing crafts, it's totally fine. This is perfect for you if you love DIY models, woodworking, or electronics tinkering and want maximum versatility. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty cutting or plan to use it for metal fabrication. For the price, it's an incredible value with tons of included tools. Product number 3, Nikloa Dual Motor Precision Saw. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be better for precision work. The Nikloa Mini Table Saw at $141.19. It features dual independent motors with separate switches just like the others, but what sets it apart is the brushless motor design, which runs cooler and lasts longer. The adjustable height goes up to 16 and the angle can be set from 0 degrees to 90 degrees with clear engraved markings for accuracy. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The aluminum alloy tabletop dissipates heat well, so you can cut continuously without warping or slowdowns. It comes with 4 blades for wood, plastic, PCB, and metal, and the included drill chuck supports bits from 0.5 to 3.2. Now, some people complained about the blade change process being a bit fiddly. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it only takes a minute, and the included hex wrenches help. This is perfect for you if you're into detailed woodworking, model building, or electronics and want a durable, heat-resistant tool. Skip this one if you need deeper cuts than 16 or prefer a simpler single-motor setup. It's a great balance of power and precision. Product number 4, RTOVZON Budget Craft Saw. Now, if the previous models felt too complex or expensive, the RTOVZON Mini Table Saw at just $71.87 is a game-changer for beginners. It's the most affordable on this list, but don't let the price fool you, it still delivers solid performance. If you want a no-frills, reliable mini saw for light projects, this is worth a serious look. It runs on a 96W motor with 7-speed control, adjustable blade height up to 15 and a cutting angle from 0 degrees to 180 degrees. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The dust pipe lets you connect a small vacuum, which is rare at this price point and keeps your workspace clean. The aluminum alloy body keeps it lightweight at just 3.9 pounds, and the included miter gauge helps with straight cuts. It comes with 4 blades and basic tools, everything you need to get started. Now, some people complained about the motor getting warm after 10 minutes of continuous use. Here's the thing though, it's designed for short crafting sessions, not industrial workloads, so just take breaks and it's fine. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner, student, or casual hobbyist on a budget. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty cutting or dual motor power. For under $80, it's an unbeatable entry-level option. Product number 5, Nikloa Black Multifunctional Saw. Finally, the second Nikloa model, this black version at $120.65, offers a different take with a 100W brushless motor and cast iron body for extra stability. If you want a sturdy mid-range mini saw that feels solid under pressure, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The pure copper motor runs at up to 6,000 RPM with 7-speed control, giving you smooth, consistent cuts on wood, plastic, and thin metal. It includes 4 blades, a soft shaft for engraving, and over 100 accessories. The transparent shield and rubber feet keep things safe and steady. Now, some people complained about the weight. It's heavier than the others at nearly 4 pounds. Here's the thing though, that weight adds stability, so if you're doing precision work, it's actually a benefit. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, vibration-free saw for detailed woodworking or model making. Skip this one if you need something ultra-portable or are on a tight budget. It's a great middle ground option with serious build quality. So which mini table saw should you buy? If safety and power are your top priorities, go with the Zarikuff. Need maximum accessories and versatility? MIMYTH has you covered. Want precision and heat resistance? Nikloa's dual motor model is solid. On a budget, RTOVZON delivers surprising value. And if you want a sturdy, vibration-free build, the black Nikloa is a great pick. Each has its strengths. Pick the one that matches your projects and budget.